We hustle daily. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. We over here at my boy Bruce crib. We about to see what Bruce got going on, man. I don't see nobody out here. He said he got this truck. Where's the black? Okay, the black truck back there. He said he got this truck. Not this one. I mean this one. He said he got it good to go. What's up, man? Oh, he in the back. Yeah, he said he got this one good to go, man. So we're gonna take a ride for this one today, probably see if he got it. You know, everything good. Y'all see Bubba back there, man. Bubba chilling. What you got going on, bro?
What, man?
You chilling? You working? Oh. Let me see what he got back here, man. See what he got back here, man. So we got a little Honda. Oh yeah, he doing the hub bearings on this joint right here. Doing the hub bearings. I think these are pretty good Hondas, y'all, too. So yeah.
Got some hub bearings on it.
Doing both of them?
Yeah. I gotta go pick up our axle nut.
Oh, okay. You wanna ride the
socket.
You wanna ride the truck or what?
Yeah, I'm gonna drive the truck. I gotta road test it, so drive the truck. And I got cooling for it.
Okay. Make sure y'all follow my boy on Instagram.
Show
Fan of Mobiles. Y'all already know. Hey man, they was getting on you on the video too.
What,
they was
man?
talking about. They was like, what they say? He like, your boy look like he been smoking sour diesel. They was saying all type of stuff, bro. For real, they say you look like Snoop Dogg and everything, bro. For real, man.
That's messed up. I gotta look at the video, man.
Yeah, man, you gotta check it out. My boy don't be checking my videos out, man. You gotta check it out, man.
No, man, I do, man. I just some of my.
Yeah, I know you be busy, man. So, yeah, man, that's another thing. Y'all want to get y'all car worked on and everything. I don't know if you plan on taking some more jobs, but man, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all hit my boy up on Instagram. Oh, somebody hit me up on Instagram and they say they want to give $2,500 for the car. I told them to hit you up. I was like, hey, man, hit my boy up. You know what I'm saying? I just looked at that message today.
Word.
But
that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, so man, if you still interested, man, make sure you hit my boy up. But all right, we're gonna go ahead and cut for right now. We'll get back to it in a minute. Cut. Oh, and hold up, y'all see, you know what I'm saying? We got the hat, the We Hustle Daily hat. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Your boy been working on a little something, you know what I'm saying, since we've been in the quarantine. So y'all let me know what y'all think about the We Hustle Daily hat, man. I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right. It's the truck we about to be riding right now, y'all. So, 4x4. And oh, hold on. And if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to join the Hustle Nation. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, wehustledaily.co. Want to learn how to check out cars, WHD Academy.com. Got to tell y'all, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate it. Subscribe to the Hustle Nation, y'all. Alright, so like I told y'all, Dad spent 3 bands on this boy. Got it from IAA. It's not that bad. Just needed a radiator. So, about to take it on a ride right now. Got an oil filter. Got some like LEDs in this guy, look like. What y'all think? 3 grand. His dad bought this sight unseen though, but it needed some work. Bought a radiator. And about to see. Got some wheels on it. Got them tough wheels on that thing. Brand new radiator in this guy here. As y'all can see it, so just waiting on them to pack the car up, pack the truck up rather, and I'll catch y'all in a second. Alright, y'all, so we're in the Ford F-150. About to take it on a drive, man. Y'all interested in the Ford F-152, make sure y'all hit my boy up on Instagram at Phantom Mobiles. Make sure y'all do that, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the We Hustle Daily hat, though. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. So I'm just waiting on him to pull off in this thing, man. Waiting on my partners, like, boy, you be waiting forever, man. For real, for real. But man, make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com, man. You know, like I tell y'all, I'm showing y'all, and y'all can say, you know, anybody can say anything they want in them comments, but at the end of the day, my cars be riding, you know what I'm saying? Even if I don't make the most money off the car, that boy riding, I don't get no complaints, you know what I'm saying? Nothing. So WHD Academy, you know, is also for people like, I don't care if you just don't want to go buy a car from the auction. I don't care if you just want to learn how to pick a car for your daughter or pick a car for your son or whatever the case may be. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you how to pick a good car in whdacademy.com. So make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com, man. whdacademy.com. So yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know that, man. So, you know, I'm showing a lot, I'm teaching a lot, you know, so y'all make sure y'all do that. So when we get out this quarantine, y'all be good to go. All right, follow me in the car, in the truck. Seem to be riding good. Seem to be riding good. These big old tires, though. We got the radio in that thing. Everything. We're doing about 40. About 40. Possessed them to put them big ass tires on there. They went hard. Yeah. It's riding though. What you got the oil filter for?
What's that?
The oil filter. You gonna change the oil?
Oh, yeah, I know.
Oh, you did? Oh, you did? Okay, okay.
I got it.
Word. Y'all see it though, man. Y'all see it though, the truck riding and gliding. About to get something to eat. And catch y'all when we get back to the crib. We hustle daily. Alright, and just like that, we are back. So y'all see the truck. The truck looking good. Needed a radiator. So I don't know what they asking for it, man. But if you're interested, just hit him up on the Instagram or hit me up and I'm gonna send y'all to him. Y'all see Bubba chilling. Y'all see the Duramax. And y'all see my boy right back to work, man. Right back to work, man. Getting it in over here, man. They got some bolts in the back of there.
No, I just got this one nut on here.
Let me see. It ain't no bolt in the back of there?
It ain't the shirt. It's a spindle from the CVR service.
Oh, it ain't no bolt, you right. So that should just come right out.
It should, but it's rusted up in there, so.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, no. No, that's you right. But alright, Hustle Nation, man. Probably gonna go ahead and be a wrap. Y'all let me know if y'all enjoy these type of vlogs. It's gonna be a wrap, man. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that notification bell so y'all can be notified every time your boy upload a video. Make sure y'all follow my boy Bruce on Instagram at Phantom Mobiles. Make sure y'all do that. He gonna have a truck, so he'll let y'all know, you know, if y'all interested in the truck. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, wehustledaily.co, and let me know if y'all like the the We Hustle Daily hat. You know what I'm saying? I'm working on a little stuff like I told y'all, wehustledaily.com. And again, WHD Academy, y'all. If y'all want to learn how to pick out good cars, I'm telling y'all right now, you want to go to whdacademy.com. It don't matter where you trying to buy a car from. I'm gonna show you how to pick a good car, and I'm gonna make sure that you get a good car. You know what I mean? So won't nobody be able to fool you, jug you, finesse you, none of that. So y'all make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray. I'm gone.